man. Let me kick it off. Round two. I'm gonna kick it off.
CCTFR, man, chilling with your boy. Reality.
Listen, let me go in on these pump dudes. Talking about you got a pump, dude. You ain't got no pump. Cause when I was 18, I was ready rolling up with 2 pumps. Listen, talking about you a G and shit. Fuck around me, I'm a G shit. G, check your ass, you know the dudes. Talking about you got goons and shit. They ain't got no goons. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I got homies in the club that shot you in my 4-door in the trunk. Real shit, homie. That's why I pray for these fake dudes. Real ass, homie. Cause I gotta do shit legit. Fuck all that fake shit. Illegit. There's too many opportunities to make bread, and I fuck around, still get your girl, give me head. Listen, I'm in the club, shot a star bar. I'm in the club, bending over fucking hoes in the bar. They even see me calling securities around me, but they can't see me, homie. I slap a girl, big beauty ooty, and I'm like, God damn, it's like big booty Judy. That shit stupid as hell, but I'm like, God damn, I gotta keep it shit real. I'm too sick with it. You know a homie straight motherfucking ill with it.
Okay, yo, that was my boy Abe. You already know who this is. This is Reality. Like my boy Abe said, we getting mad motherfucking cake and mad motherfucking head. I gotta stack my bread. I gotta get head. I said that in the beginning, but now I'm winning. Y'all niggas losing. Bitch nigga, we ballin', but your girl keep fucking calling. Fuck niggas falling. About to install my dick to your girl's hard drive. Hold up, wait. I gotta get on my drive shit. But these motherfuckers will die quick. Talking about all that motherfucking tough talk. Bullshit walk on a motherfucking tightrope. You a fucking joke. Bitch nigga, you is so motherfucking broke. You stay at your mom's house. Bitch, I'm a boss. I call shots. Shot caller. Nigga. Reppin' NC. Pussy ass nigga. 919. You know where the fuck I be at, nigga.
Ball stat.
Bang, bang, bang.